Hey y'all, I am finally getting around to installing my RX6400 into my PC based on a Pentium G7400. To begin this process, I will hold the shift key as I restart the PC to enter the troubleshooting menu. When the PC reboots, I will choose Troubleshoot and then Advanced Options. Next, I will select Startup Settings and click Restart. Once in the startup options, I will hit the number 4 on my keyboard to enter safe mode. When I fully get into safe mode, I will open DDU, uninstall the current drivers, and then shut down the PC. Next, I will be able to go ahead and install the RX6400 into this PC. And finally, we are going to choose the most recent recommended version of AMD's drivers and install them onto our PC. Now that we've got the RX6400 installed, go ahead and hit that follow button to see how it performs.